checkpoint exercises in which we have equations with variables on both sides. Our first problem we're given is 7y minus 5 equals 5y plus 3. Now, since we've looked at this entire lesson, you've gone through the examples, I am going to show you how to just take care of everything in one step, because essentially we want the variable terms on the left, we want the numerical values, the constants on the right, so we can go ahead and add 5 to both sides. As long as we line it up, it shouldn't be an issue. And then we'll go ahead and subtract 5y or any other variable terms from the right side, and then we'll put it all together. So 7y minus 5y is 2y. The minus 5 and plus 5 cancel. The 5y and minus 5y cancel. And then 3 plus 5 is 8. Divide both sides by 2. And we have y equals 4. With problem 2, we are given 2 and 1/6 x plus 2 equals 19 minus 2/3 x. Now, since I can already recognize right off the bat, I have a sixth on the left-hand side. When I rewrite this, I'm going to go ahead and write negative 2/3 or minus 2/3 as minus 4/6 as well. But our first step is let's change this first mixed number coefficient into an improper fraction coefficient. So 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13, so we have 13 6x plus 2 equals 19 minus, and again I'm going to go ahead and change this to 4/6x. And then we'll go ahead and do what we did in the first problem and take care of everything all at once. But we'll do it in the correct order. So first what we want to do is let's get rid of any constants on the left-hand side. So minus 2. And then we'll get rid of any variable terms on the right-hand side. So plus 4/6x. And that's going to leave us with 13/6 plus 4/6 is 17/6x. The 2's cancel. 19 minus 2 is 17. The 4/6 cancel. And then we multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 17/6, so 6/17. And that leaves us with nothing but x on the left-hand side. And the 17's cancel on the right-hand side, leaving with x equals 6. With problem 3, we have 3.26x equals negative 0.6x plus 30.88. So we don't have any constants on the left-hand side, so we add 0.6x to both sides. They cancel on the right-hand side. That gives us 3.86x on the left-hand side equals 30.88. And then 30.88, we'll go ahead and write this out over here. We divide both sides by 3.86. And we've actually seen this several times at this point. And hopefully we recognize at this point, if we rounded 3,088 down to 3,000, 386 up to 400, we'd have how many times does 400 go into 3,000? But it's a little bigger than that. That would actually be 7 times, but we'll go ahead and use 8, and that actually gives us 3,088. So in this case, x equals 8. Now in the last problem, we are given that members of the Moose Lodge get discounted tickets to their concerts. There's a membership fee one time of $51. Concerts for members is $3 per ticket, and for non-members it's $6 per ticket. And we want to know, when are these amounts going to be equal? So for members, the total cost of all tickets is, we'll call T equals tickets. So we have 3T, this is for members, 3T plus 51. That's how much all tickets that they purchase would cost, because it's $3 per ticket and then their $51 membership fee. For non-members, it's just 6T. So we'll go ahead and subtract 6T from both sides, subtract 51 from both sides. 3T minus 6T is negative 3T equals negative 51, because we didn't have a constant on the right-hand side. We divide both sides by -3, and then T equals 51 divided by 3. That would be 17. So in order for non-members and members to spend the same amount on tickets, the total number of tickets would have to be 17 tickets.